Hi everyone, my name is Jill, and I have an announcement to make. My mom Nelco is a graphic designer who is also an owner of a YouTube channel on Handcraft with 240,000 followers. She wishes that she can bring peace of mind to a lot of people by introducing the illustrated world that I live in and the story that takes place there. The book will take you back to your childhood free thinking that you have forgotten growing up. If you still are a little one, it sure will make the world of imagination that you make with your toys even bigger. The book is packed with a world that you painted in your imagination as a child and memories that you cherished. Now, let's take a look at what the book has been like so far. This is where I live. I built this house all by myself. You see, my very best friend Joe the Big Mouse next to me. I am going to wash him in a huge tub and then go shopping at the mouse shed while I let him dry. Joe is usually a talkative one, but seems to be nervous because you all are here today. This is a mouse shed I go to once a month. It is still early in the morning, but the place is filled with the villagers who love shopping here as always. I love shopping here so much too. I always come back home holding a double handful of goodies. Giant fish and flesh fruits. You can't miss Mr. Butcher's place where you find a variety of beautiful shiny things. Oh, and you should definitely go to Piquet's bakery. Try a slice of bread freshly baked by Piquet, spreading some honey on it. It is absolutely delicious. Oh dear, I see Ilios, the wooden horse right behind Dav and Apple Princess. I really hope they don't clash. I will send you a passage ticket along with a map of the village. So why don't you come to visit me? What I showed you are just a few pages of what will become a 64-page long book. Fully colored illustrations solely take up 45 pages. Please support Neco on Kickstarter project.